Hey, I'm going to do a quick little film here of the recent VR changes to Mobile VR Station. So the first big one is just the actual bar down here has actually changed a bit. We have a different configuration icon. We actually do have a new play and pause button, but then you can see that once content starts up again. We have a new uh, content item which currently replaces the photos, videos, files, and panorama icons. And we also now have a left and right button, which will then move to the next item or previous item. So you could switch between content without needing to leave the main player. And so now let me go into my content. All right, and now I'm in my what I call content sources, which at the moment it's using the standard list method. But now if I want to, I can go down here and there's this new icon which shows up. Look at it. All right, and now it's using the grid concept. So actually now I can look over here. I can look at media. All right, now it has loaded up. Now let me find my demo folder. All right, and now this will try to show as many items as it can on the screen. That is within reason. So it's about 24 items. So you can look at each one. It'll show you the name underneath. So yeah, let me just look at the first one now. All right, the image has loaded up. Let me hit the V button. All right, recenter. All right, now now I can do is I can use my next button. Oh, next image. Next. Yep. Sheepish. Yep, so now it's real easy to switch between your photos, videos, panoramas, and basically everything else. And now what else I can do is let me go into my content. Let me switch it back to the old style mode. Now let me go down again. And now let me go into my new UPnP folder right here. All right, and now I can access my UPnP content, which is a great feature. So now I can go and access my different drives, see what's on them, and actually play files right from here without needing to leave VR and go back to the touch interface. So this is a pretty nice improvement over the previous version. And now let me, this really isn't all that impressive though, but there are 24 files here. The only problem with UPnP is it doesn't show any icons, but now we can actually see every single one that you could play. And since there's about over 50 files here, I can hit next. And now I'm on the second sheet. So we got even more files that we could possibly play. But I can still go back to the old style if I feel like it, which is kind of the old way to do it. But I do now have more options. And then if you're in the photos, it'll show every single photo preview. Or if you're in your files, it'll show your thumbnails like it does now. It just inside UPnP, it currently doesn't have a way to do the thumbnails. But I think that's all the main changes. There may be a couple more. I think a few of the icons in here changed. But I think that is everything. Thanks.